that. You take pictures? That's cool too. Once I got that, I put my lock case back in. Just be careful not to smash my wire. And I can see all three of my holes now. Okay? Alright. Now what I had to cut is these 4 holes. Okay? And the way I figure out where those are, I take the inside handle
off of an old lock, right?
Off of a new lock. The new lock.
Oh, a new lock, yeah.
That is a new lock. And I put it on the outside.
Okay.
The reason being, because the holes are in the same spot as these are. The holes. So I use them as my template. So you were asking about a template? Yep, every box has one in it. Because every box has an inside handle. I'm going to use my scratch awl just to make sure I get it marked so I can see it. Alright. Yeah. Now there's my 4 holes. See them? Right there?
Yep.
½ inch. Now I use these. You can use whatever you want for ½ inch bit, but I use these because these don't blow through the wood and explode out the other side. And on this side, it's nice, neat, round hole. It's not a jagged looking cut going everywhere hole.
Those work a lot better, huh? Those work really well then, huh? What do you call those anyways?
I call them Christmas trees. They call them at Lowe's and Home Depot, they're called step-ups or something like that.
Step-ups.
I don't know, they're good. See, he uses...
They're just a little hard to push through the door because they get a lot of wood caught up in them.
See? Looks neat. He's videoing you, Joe. Don't say anything. You don't want to.
Don't say anything about Doug.
Don't say anything incriminating.
Okay, that's got your 4 posts, and it's got this done. Well, then you got to do now is this hole, but we also have to have what they call a Q hole for the wire. Throw a doorstop on here. I can't use that thing.
Well, that's what I was wondering. When you
Go ahead.
That, so.
You did good. You did good. Does it fit?
Barely, but it's good enough.
Okay.
There's that.
What a Q hole is, it's from this hole up to this hole. Right here.
And that's going to be on the inside, right?
On the inside. That's just for your wire to route through there so it doesn't squash against anything. Oops. I need, in a minute.
Wait a minute, that's... Oh, just make sure you get it on the right side. I thought
So you just
used that.
You got to make a hole for
This wire.
for that.
The wires to go through.
Okay.
So all I did was I held it up to where the posts were lined up with the holes I just drilled. And then saw where the wire was and went.
And just centered it. Okay.
Just like that.
Yeah, but it's not clear. You put another one beside it. the inside, outside, and the inside. I mean the.
Might be warm. Might be warm.
Then why'd you hand it to me?
I didn't say it was hot. I said it was warm.
It's hot.
Okay.
Big difference. Warm and hot. I can take a lot of heat, but that was hot, not warm.
You can use anything to dig a 1-inch hole. I've got a 1-inch auger bit over there I usually use, but she handed me this, so I'm going to use it. I'm going to go a little above that.
Stay out of the way over there.
You go that real good.
Quite a bit of dust.
Okay.
And then we won't have the crap on your dishes.
Okay. Weed your wire through to your hole, your cue you cut.
It's right beside you. What are you
My, do you want the quarter cable?
PC?
Yeah.
You know, this is mine because what he did for Christmas 2 Christmases ago, he gave me a pink drill.
I bought a pink drill with
It
pink
stays
battery
in-
and
it
pink
stays
everything.
in the
Oh, that's
house.
cool.
I said, are you going to take that with you? I took it on one job. All it is a glorified screwdriver, but it's about that size. And I told him, I said, look, I do a man's work. I want a man's drill.
Yeah.
He bought me this one.
Okay. Then you get to weed your wires through.
You can make that hole a little wider if you want to. You can put 2 holes
So,
side by side.
so that ribbon goes over the top of that mortise, right?
Mm-hmm. And then, if I mark my holes right, it should slide right on, just like that.
See, I told you the template come with the box.
I got the wrong screws.
Again.
The chrome, the those are wrong. These are
I
right.
know. Why are they doing that?
I don't know.
You need to let her know. Let
I
her
know.
that they gotta put that. Here. I think these are.
Then, just like on your old lot, this weeds up through the hole, right there. These will go through the hole in the center. And this is the same thing that's on your guest rooms. Except your guest rooms had 2 wires coming through here instead of 1.
Because this one doesn't have a deadbolt.
Doesn't have a deadbolt.
Or have it. Box on, box work. Oh, he's filming? Oh. And you put the little black one to the black.
Black goes to black, white goes to white, yellow goes to yellow.
Now you've got me all big bumble fingers.
This part's just like your old locks.
Just a little bit of grease on that makes it stay in place.
This plug here is for future use. That's if you get messenger later. Your guest rooms have one that goes in this plug here for your deadbolt, your privacy switch.
That's why there's an extra wire.
Yeah. The PCB boards are made for all the locks now, so they all have all the plugs, but some of the locks don't use. You only use the ones you need. This is a utility lock, so it's only using the one.
Yeah. I was making sure it wasn't. Come on, baby, get on.
That's how you'll do your mates elevator lobby entrance, just like I just did this one. Make the big hole so that you can get the center. Put the lock case in. Put the outside. Put the inside handle on the outside to mark your holes. Drill your holes 1/2 inch. Then you drill your hole for your.
It's out here. I was looking for my vacuum.
You drill your hole for your ribbon and your wire, and that's all you need.